Guys, this is Dragon. I'll be unboxing my new drill, the Tolsen 650 watts. I bought this from Shopee. I use voucher para mabawasan price. I bought this for 872 pesos. So, as you can see, box lang po to. Walang toolbox kasama. So, i-unbox natin. Okay. This is from Tolsen. This one's from Tolsen po. Yeah, Tolsen hammer drill. Tolsen hammer drill. This one. So, ito po yung pag-open niya. Ayan siya handle. Tapos, siyang keyhole. Ayan yung keyhole. Ayan. Pang-unlock niya. Okay. Ayan siyang normal drill lang po. Tapos hammer drill. Ayan. So, meron siyang dalang key adjuster. Meron siyang other variants. Yung isa is yung quick release, pero ito yung pinili ko kasi mas secure, kasi mas safe to. Yan, test natin. Let's go. So what's inside the box is yung handle niya. Yan. So pang twist this one. Tapos meron siyang pang measure kung gaano ka-deep yung hole na i-drill natin. Yan. Tapos meron siyang manual. Yan, ang ganda ng Tolsen, no? Yan. So, plastic. Tapos meron siyang warranty card. Ganda, oh. Yan, hindi ako nagsisi sa pagpili ko ng Tolsen. Yan, may warranty card din, oh. Yan. Yan lang po. Testing natin.